testing it out to make sure that both tanks are drawing, and he's going to bring them back after Christmas. I got to put a new distributor in it. I got to put a new drop in of these. Missing on one cylinder a bit.
Dad was just saying here that the customers brought his Bombardier in because Dad's got to replace the distributor. It's missing on one cylinder. So it's a couple-day job here. And then we're going to get this one back out to the customer. But this is one of Dad's previous jobs here. Nice open bucket seats. Everything's done here. And so this is just you know, good for traveling with a bunch of people. You can open up that underneath there to get at the engine, or get at the distributor, not distributor, differential, I guess. Everything else, the brakes. Nice shiny green here. And yeah, this is one of Dad's previous jobs. So we like to do this, do a little bit of extra, not necessarily warranty work, but just make sure that it's safe for the customer for the season that they're going to enjoy it in.
This warranty is already 7 years old.
Oh, 7 years old on this warranty, okay. But at least you know that it's all good though, right?
Yeah, we rebuilt it from scratch, so.
So that's just greasing the doors here to make sure everything opens. So it's just a little bit of work. He likes this touch-up work here because he can get the thing in and out. It's been stored here, so it's a little dusty. But, you know, when they get it out in the ice, it'll all wash off.
He wants he's got 2 batteries, so if he can shut off or put on a battery as he wants them, eh?
Yeah.
So he always has a full battery.
So
Eddie likes to eat out of that tray.
oh,
He doesn't like putting his nose in the dish. You need a little bit of lube when you're having this crap. Okay.
here you are.